See a brand like Tenya where the food is so authentic because we bring everything from Japan.
Tenya is a Japanese brand. It has long heritage of cooking tempura. That's what we offer to the people of Baguio. A Japanese, a truly genuine, authentic Japanese experience with strong heritage and connection to Japan.
Our tempura is made of proprietary Tenya Japan flour, which we import directly from Tenya, Japan. And it's also accompanied by a special sauce, which is called the tare sauce, which is also proprietary in nature. When we say proprietary, that means you cannot buy it in any supermarket. You can only get it in Tenya.
We're also using fresh Baguio vegetables. So, fresh Baguio vegetables with Tenya flour, Tenya sauces, I think it's a mushroom or shrimp tempura. It's not overly coated in batter to hide the size of the shrimp.
That salad over there. That's made of lettuce, salmon, agedama, which are the tempura prawns, really yummy agedama, and a special
the tempura.
The tempura.
And then with the soba noodles. Tapos pakita mo sa gitna. Pakita mo yung gitna. Okay. So this is the salad. It's the spicy salmon salad. So we'll get this. It's fresh. I was eyeing for the spicy salmon salad talaga.
It's the #1 ribs place, American comfort food place in Manila.
Onion rings.
Lambot. I'm good. Thank you. Gusto ko siyang hindi sobrang tamis like the others. Tamang-tama lang. For me, ayoko kasi ng matamis na ribs masyado. Diba pag si daddy gumagawa, yung mga ribs niya, yung saktong lang. Okay naman. Natigba mo na? Hindi pa. Sakto lang. This is their original barbecue sauce. Try ko siya sa ribs. Sarap tong sauce. Sarap na may sauce. It's good na may sauce. We have pasta. What is this pasta? Is it truffle or carbonara? Truffle. Hindi ganun ka-al-dente yung pasta pero okay lang. Sir, is this truffle pasta? Truffle pasta. Okay. Thank you. That's why more na more ang mushroom.
Truffle oil.
Yeah, that's the truffle oil. Yeah. Miss Anne, why?